Alright guys, welcome to my version of a lapidary motor. This is the disc I was talking about. This motor right here is just a regular bench grinder. I just angled it to be able to basically hold the disc up like a lapidary motor. If you guys look it up, you'll see what I'm talking about. The trick here is to, as this spins, it flattens any level surface evenly as you move the piece over it. So we're going to do that with the letters. We're going to do that with the ID bracelet. Like that. This is basically the idea. This part is kind of tricky, so we're just going to do that with the buffers with that motor over there. So I'm gonna get started. This thing has trouble starting up, so if you might want to cover your ears or lower the volume. Here we go. Ooh, rough start. What is this compound? This is dark gray, or yeah, dark gray compound. It's got a bunch of different compounds on it. It's been used a variety of times throughout many years, basically. All right, so here we go. You don't want to press too hard on it. Basically, you want to let the motor do what it does. Kind of just easily slide the bracelet across there. Try to get every little spot. The difference between my lapidary motor, I don't know what you call it, and an original one or a real one is the other one's way more powerful. Remember, silver gets hot as you're polishing it, so be careful. Wear gloves if you need to. What you want to do as you're doing this, make sure that you get it all evenly. You want to get your surface, whatever it is that you're doing, evenly flat. Make it look nice and even. That's the goal here. Nice, evenly smooth. Looking good, right? Yeah, looking good. And that's it. Now it's off to the polishing motors.